Begin by placing 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix in a large mixing bowl, 1 cup of sweet cream-style corn, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, and 1 cup of sour cream. Then mix to combine. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. We are using a 7.5-inch baking dish. Spray the baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Transfer the cornbread batter into the prepared dish. Using a spatula, spread out the cornbread just like so. Now bake at 375 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is lightly golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And if everything goes according to plan, your super moist cornbread would look like this. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. You may enjoy this delicious cornbread recipe either warm or cold. There you guys have it, super easy to make, moist and delicious cornbread. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye!